All right, petrolheads, buckle up. We're diving into the wacky world of car manufacturing. Forget sleek showrooms. This is where steel gets sassy and robots rule the roost. It's not magic, it's madness. So are you ready for a wild ride through the heart of automotive insanity? Good, because things are about to get interesting. Every masterpiece starts with a vision, right? Well, in the car world, that vision involves countless cups of coffee, late-night brainstorming sessions, and enough whiteboard scribbles to make Da Vinci weep. Designers, those mad geniuses, dream up these metal marvels, sketching, modeling, and tweaking until their fingers bleed. Figuratively, of course, we hope. They use computers now, thankfully. Imagine drawing all those lines by hand. Madness. Once the digital masterpiece is complete, it's time to call in the real heroes, the robots. These aren't your grandma's kitchen gadgets. We're talking massive, multi-jointed, laser-wielding titans. They translate those elegant lines from the computer screen into cold, hard steel cutting, shaping, and welding with precision that would make a brain surgeon jealous. And trust me, you wouldn't want to get in a robot's way on a bad day. Sparks fly, metal screams, it's a whole dramatic production. But hey, nobody said building a car was easy. Picture this, a bare-bones metal frame, the skeleton of our future four-wheeled friend gliding down the assembly line. This, my friends, is the chassis, the backbone of the beast. It's here where the magic, and by magic I mean a whole lot of welding and bolting, really starts to happen. This is where the car starts to look like, well, a car. Engines, transmissions, axles, they all get hoisted into place with balletic grace, or at least as much grace as a giant mechanical arm can muster. It's a carefully choreographed dance of heavy machinery and human skill. The air hums with the symphony of impact wrenches, the clang of metal on metal, a concerto of controlled chaos. It's enough to make you want to grab a wrench and join the fun. Don't worry, we won't let you near the good tools. Section 4. Dip it low. The paint shop's colourful secrets. Next stop, the dazzling, dizzying world of the paint shop. Forget boring old black or white. We're talking about a rainbow of colours brighter than a pack of highlighters after a sugar rush. This is where our metal masterpiece gets its personality, its pizzazz. Imagine car-sized showers, but instead of water, it's cascades of vibrant paint transforming our formerly bare metal friend into a shining, shimmering work of art. And don't even get me started on the robotic arms that apply the paint with the precision of a Renaissance painter. Talk about a steady hand. Michelangelo himself would be impressed. Of course, he might be a bit miffed that robots were stealing his thunder. Section 5, putting on the Ritz interior design for speed demons. Now for the piece de resistance, the part that separates the boring family haulers from the truly stylish chariots, the interior. This is where comfort meets cool, where ergonomics get cozy with aesthetics. We're talking plush seats, fancy dashboards, and enough buttons to make a pilot jealous. It's like watching a five-star hotel room being assembled, but instead of beds and minibars, it's high-tech entertainment systems and heated steering wheels. Don't act like you're not impressed. And who can forget the smell of a brand new car? That intoxicating blend of leather, plastic and dreams is enough to make anyone feel like $1,000,000, or at least a few thousand depending on the model. Section 6, Freedom, after passing the robot overlord's inspection. Our automotive masterpiece has been through the ringer, literally. Before it's allowed to roam free on the open road, it faces the ultimate test quality control. This isn't some quick once-over, this is a full-blown interrogation, a robotic rectal exam of automotive proportions. These robotic inspectors, they miss nothing. Every weld, every bolt, every panel gap is scrutinized with laser-like precision. It's enough to make a car feel self-conscious, but hey, it's all in the name of safety and maybe a little bit of robot pride. And finally, after what feels like a lifetime on the assembly line, okay, maybe just a few days, our car emerges triumphant, gleaming under the factory lights. It's ready for the open road, for adventure, for you to drive it straight into a ditch. Just kidding, sort of. So there you have it, folks. The hilarious, chaotic, and utterly fascinating journey of how a car is made.